Playback errors on YouTube TV can show up as freezing, spinning, error codes, or content failing to load. Fortunately, most playback issues can be fixed quickly with a few simple steps. Here's how to get your stream working again. Start by fully restarting the YouTube TV app. Close it completely, relaunch it, and try playing the video again. If the error continues, restart your device, whether you're using a Roku, Fire Stick, Smart TV, Apple TV, or phone. Next, check your internet connection. Playback errors often happen when your Wi-Fi drops or slows down. Restart your router, move closer to the Wi-Fi, or switch to Ethernet if possible. YouTube TV recommends at least 7 to 13 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. Clear the app cache to refresh playback. If you see specific error codes, like 500, 410, or 403, update the app and device software. Outdated versions often cause playback failures. Finally, turn off VPNs. They block YouTube TV and cause playback issues. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.